Hey guys, this is Andres from New Mexico Rocketry Reviews, and today's video is the perfect first video for you new Rocketeers. This video is going to cover all of the materials, including rockets, launch pads, and engines that you're going to need for starting out rocketry. So, let's get started. So the rocket we're going to be building in this video series is the Baby Bertha.
The reason we recommend this rocket is because it's easy and fun to build, and it's really fun to launch. It's also a very reliable rocket. The link is down in the description in case you want to buy it.
So you can also build any other SD's Skill 1 or Skill 2 level rockets. However, we won't be building any of the other ones in this video series. We do not highly recommend that you build the easy to assemble ones because those are a bit too easy and offer no challenge.
Every rocket is going to need a motor for it to actually launch. For the Baby Bertha, it takes an A83, a B44, or a B64, and if you go on higher, C65. We recommend just using the C65 as your first engine, and you can reuse a rocket so you can use that several times. But if you're building a different rocket, you can just check online with the seller to see what type of engines that rocket fits.
You're also going to need materials for your launch, which means a launch controller, a launch pad, and recovery wadding for your rocket. We have left links in the description for all of these items so you can find them. These are the building materials that you're gonna need to build your rocket. Many of you may already have at home. These include wood glue, a knife, cotton swabs, wax paper, pencil, sandpaper, painter's tape, spray paint to color your rocket, a ruler, and also some scissors.
If you are interested in using these videos as a guide for your first model rocket, make sure you subscribe. That way you know when the next video in this series comes out. If you have any questions or comments, write them down below and we'll reply as soon as possible. Other than that, have a great day.